Gusto mo bang mabago, mag-improve, no, ang buhay mo? Hindi lang mabago. Kasi pag sabing mabago, pwedeng mabago in a negative way, di ba? But ang gusto natin ay mabago in a positive way. So that means growth. That means, moving from one level to another. And for that to happen, I love what the book I read, yung Atomic Habits. It's a wonderful book. You should really, try to get that and read it. It's about how to change your life by focusing on the tiny things that you can change. Yung atomic habits. Because in a way, when you think about it, paano ba tayo umaabot sa kung nasan tayo ngayon, sa buhay natin, ano man yung estado ng buhay natin, no? And it really boils down to one thing: habits. Umaasenso ka ba? Naghihirap ka ba? Lahat yan nanggagaling sa habits. Yan yung paulit-ulit natin ginagawa. So, success and failure, for that matter, is not an event. Hindi siya event, no? Nobody got successful just because parang event lang. Uy, successful na ako ngayon. Hindi. Wala ding nag-fail na nagising lang siya and said, oh, I'm a failure. Hindi. Everything moves towards kung ano man yung ating pinupuntahan base sa ating habits. So, anything we want to change in life, whether it's in our character, whether it's in our, career, whether it's about, moving out of the rat race and moving from yung lagi ka na lang nakalubog sa utang, naghihirap, laging gipit na gipit, and moving from a life of yung medyo nakaka-abante ka na, no? Nakakaahon ka na sa hirap. Lahat yan, ano man yan, kalusugan mo, if you want to change it, you need to focus on habits. And the thing is this, and you can read it in the book, and it's just a wonderful book, sabi ko nga, any habits that you want to change, you need to understand that it's basically a system. Sa dami mong paulit-ulit na ginagawa, na dinala ka kung nasaan ka ngayon, yung paulit-ulit mong desisyon na yun, paulit-ulit mong aksyon, it creates a system para sa buhay mo. Whether it's conscious or unconscious, it's there. It's really there. So, napaka-importante niyan. So, if you want to really, start changing things, you need to focus on the system that brought you where you don't want to be. So, ibig sabihin nun, pag binago mo yung sistema na yun, your direction will start changing. But the truth is, any decision that we make, any habits that we have, lahat yan ay nakabase saan? Sa ating inner beliefs. Inner beliefs. And if you want to change something, and again, I wanna focus on the area of pag-unlad, no? Kasi yun yung isa kong yung passion ko na gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo, na I want people to get out of the rat race and umunlad sa buhay. So, if your inner belief tells you, ang mga magulang ko ay mahihirap, ang mga magulang ng magulang ko ay mahihirap, ako mahirap din, ang mga anak ko magiging mahirap, at eto na yon, hanggang dito na lang ako. And that is your belief. That is your core belief. It will be hard for you to change your habit. Yung mga bad habit mo na nagdadala sa'yo dun sa kagipitan, mahihirapan kang baguhin yan kung hindi mo pinaniniwalaan, unang-una, that you can get out of kung anumang mga bad habits mo na nagdadala sa'yo dun sa kinalalagyan mo na hindi maganda. No, you need to start changing that belief. If you start believing that, no, yes, gipit ako ngayon, pero temporary ito. I can get out of this. I can change my situation. I am able to become successful. And you start believing in that. And you know what? When you start believing that you are more than your failures, that you can actually, become more successful, anong mangyayari? Your actions will follow. And when your action starts following, and you keep on repeating that action, that positive actions, it will become a system. It will become a system that in turn, sabi nga dun sa libro, yung sistema na yun will help you change in that positive direction that you want. But again, it starts with inner beliefs. Ano ang pinaniniwalaan mo? Pag tinitingnan mo ang sarili mo, ano ang nakikita mo? Do you see a successful person or do you see a failure? Ano yung pinaniniwalaan mo? Start working on that and you will start seeing that change, because again, the more you feel and believe that pwede kang maging successful, na kaya mo. Yes, mahirap ka ngayon at nandiyan ang sitwasyon na yan ang realidad, no?
300 meters.
But you can change it.
Turn right.
You will be able to change it little by little. Atomic habits. Yung talagang maliliit lang, no? By starting to change your direction, little by little, step by step. And then one day, with all these small improvements, mag-accumulate yan. And you will see, you will realize, oh my goodness, I have now a system of success in my life. And so there you have it. That is our message and reflection for today. Again, please, if you're new to this channel and you like this kind of, content, adding value to your life, please share, please like, and I'll see you again in the next episode. But don't forget, keep moving forward.